We recognise that delivering projects and drawings on time can be a challenge. With ProtaDetails, we make that process easy. After completing your design in ProtaStructure, open ProtaDetails and automatically create all your drawings in one click. ProtaDetails uses smart features to intelligently lay out your details into your drawing sheets. Here we can see key plans, set out drawings against grids, column and wall elevations, and even group column schedules. All drawings can be easily set up to suit your drawing standards. Detailing preferences, line types and scales can all be easily adjusted. See how ProtaDetails has cropped these beams and neatly placed them into the title blocks. Full quantities, including bar bending schedules, can also be created, enabling you to compare different schemes and provide accurate project cost information to clients. Take advantage of ProtaDetails' full CAD drafting capabilities in DWG, as well as using intuitive drafting objects to tweak or quickly create additional details of your choice. ProtaDetails makes your drafting fast and efficient, allowing you to deliver projects more quickly and more profitably than ever before.